guys, I just want to show you how to clean our windows. Every time we open our windows, it's create a temporary file which resides in your windows. Just double click the drive C and you can type temp, this one. So whatever we will open, it's create the temporary file. So imagine if your laptop is 5 years or 3 years, so this is too much temporary file. Look how many kilobytes in every file. So if this one will still stored in your temporary files, it goes also your computer will be slow. So we need to get rid for this one, or we need to delete this one, because whatever we will open, it will create a temporary files. Aside from this, there is also another folder that also stored with the files, so called the pref-etch. So this one, pref-etch. Pref-etch is an algorithm that helps anticipate catchy messes. So meaning, every time you will reboot your computer, the system will anticipate the possible file to boot, like this one. This is the file. So by deleting this one may increase your boot time slightly, but only the next time you boot. So how? Actually, you can go there as what I will show you. You can go there and here double click, find the temporary file, this one here, but then delete. You can make it manually, and also you can find also here pref-etch, delete manually. However, we have some tweakings that we can use. Instead of deleting manually, we can use by bat file. So this is our text file, this one, this one. This is the line which go through the temporary file. Then we will delete here, and also this one is directly go to Windows, and this one is the directory which are pref-etch. Then that one also will automatically delete by using this one. Now we will use this one instead of manually, so we can make it by using this one instead of using one other software. So this process, it delete the Windows temporary, temp, TMP. This is the extension which we can include to delete, like history, Windows cookies, or recent, or this printers spool. So we will use this one. Anyway, I can attach this file so that you can try it by your own. So first thing we will do for this one, because this one, if we click this one, it will not generate automatically, or it will not automatically clean our computer. So we need to rename the extension. As you can see here, the extension for this one is txt. So we need to change to .bat, BET. So how? So what we will do, we'll go to our Explorer here, then View, then here Option, then View. As you can see here, hide extension for known file types. So just uncheck this one, apply. Okay, and now you can see our extension here. Look, this is TXT. Now we will change this extension to, as you can see, this is the content inside. Now I will rename it by bat, that one. If we search in C also, temp, now we have a lot of temporary file. And we check also the pref-etch here. So this is the file. Now we will use our new bat file. Just double click this one. Look what happened. Now our Windows is clean. In our temporary file, now no more. Now we'll check in Windows, our temp file. Look, before there's a lot of temporary file, and also if we will open our pref-etch file folder rather, then you see also the few lines. So this is how to clean our computer instead of using other application. This is free and easy. So this is it. Thank you and God bless.